Where are the humans?
Oh, where are these cute robots coming from? And they have adjustable necks and different buttons hiding here. Now, press the English button on one of them. And amazing! This cool robot can talk with flashing eyes. Even he likes to do the super good 360-degree spinning, and he can avoid the obstacles all the way it moving. Now, come and meet your smart robot toy.